Visitation in Texas is in the family code. The standard visitation schedule is in the family code. And what the standard visitation schedule dictates is the non-custodial party, the parent that doesn't have primary custody, as we say. And what primary custody basically means is who's designating the primary residence of the child. The other parent has a standard possession schedule unless there's a reason to deviate from the standard possession schedule, a good reason to deviate from the standard possession schedule. And so what the standard possession schedule says is that a non-custodial parent has possession of their child on every first, third, and fifth weekend, typically from 6 o'clock on Friday to 6 o'clock on Sunday. And then there's varying holiday provisions. Now, one of the benefits of negotiation is that you can negotiate other possession schedules. And there are some other typical possession schedules that we negotiate. And a lot of times because parents are wanting equal access to their children and equal possession time with their children, we call a lot of these possession schedule 50-50 possession schedules where they have equal time with the children. And we have come up with some creative regular possession schedules, like a week on, week off is a possession schedule that a lot of parents like because of the lack of exchange interactions. Another possession schedule that a lot of parents like is what we call a 5-2-2-5 possession schedule, which is where one parent has possession of their children on Monday and Tuesday. The other parent has possession of their children on Wednesday and Thursday, and then they flip-flop weekend possession. And so there are some creative ideas that we can come up with, especially when we're in negotiations. When you're in court, the court has to order the standard possession schedule unless there's a good reason to go outside the standard possession schedule. And when clients are preparing to file custody cases, what I would recommend if they're wanting something other than the standard possession schedule is during a period of separation, while they're separated, they either agree on a possession schedule that's outside the standard possession schedule, or they start practicing a possession schedule that's not the standard possession schedule. Because oftentimes the court will consider what's happened prior to separation as good evidence for what should happen after separation, unless there's a reason to deviate otherwise. So if a client comes to me and says, hey, I'm thinking about filing a custody case, I want to move out of my house, what do I do with my kids? What should I do with my kids? I would say, hey, set up a week on, week off if that's what you're wanting in a final order. Go ahead and start practicing that possession schedule. And I may give them some other ideas on possession schedules that they can practice prior to filing their custody case.